Hey everybody, how you doing today? So, I don't know exactly how this video is going to turn out. I'm inside, it's dark, but I'm over here by the window, so maybe it'll work out good. Well, you guys know what those are, MLCCs. And those are Blob chips. And where I got those from are these. And this is, I know Michael Murphy recognizes this, that you get these out of plasma TVs. And I've seen them a couple other places, but I can't really think of them right now. But basically, you got your gold strip on top, got a gold strip on the bottom, you got Blob chips and MLCCs, and it's attached to an aluminum backing. So what I've done is I come through first, and I pop off the MLCCs, and then I'm hoping that I can show this to you, how I've been, sorry guys, how I've been getting these off. So basically, I'm just using 2 pairs of channel locks. Like I said, I wasn't really ready to do this video, so I was just working on this. I thought you guys might be interested. So then I just bend it like this until that little chip pops up. See that? And then they come off. Now, I've already taken my loop and looked at the chips themselves, and they do have bond wires, so I am going to go through and pull all these guys out. And as you can see, there's a little strip of gold around there where the bond wires were attached. And what I'm going to do is, I've already practiced on one of these. After I removed the MLCCs and removed all the chips, I dipped this in boiling water, and I was able to peel this off of the aluminum. And from there, I make a little cut down through there so I don't have to worry about the solder that was used. Although it was probably a silver solder, I'm not going to take any chances on that. So let's go ahead and get another chip off of here. Now, one thing I've noticed about doing this, because you can't really control which way it's, I mean, you got a little bit of control, but when you're bending, you're bending. And I've cracked a couple of these as I've been taking them off. And I see, bend these guys back real quick, just to make it easier to peel off the plastic when it's time. And then the last one. Yeah. There we go. It pops right up, just like that. You can see where the it was laid on a silver toned backing. Of course, that could be the aluminum. Yeah, matter of fact, I think it is attached to the aluminum. But it looks like some sort of chip. I don't know. But either way it goes, you know, these chips are ready for processing. And I don't believe there's any magnetics in there, but I can check it. Now this guy, all I gotta do is dip it into boiling water, and the plastic peels right off of the aluminum. Throw the aluminum into your aluminum bin, cut the solder out of the way, and you throw these guys in with your gold foils. Now you got this side, this gray material, acid has no effect on it, or at least the last one I did, it didn't. But I don't like it on there because I still have some of this stuff in my stock pot. So I haven't tried this side of it yet, but I'm going to try sticking him in boiling water and doing the same thing, seeing if that will peel off, because it feels like just straight silicone, but I'm not sure. And then another thing I'm working on is network flash drives, and I'm sure there's a better name for it out there. I just can't think of what it is really. And these weren't actually the flash drives, these were the plugs that went to these were corded. And basically what I did is, let me see if I can do it again. The guy was a little bit difficult the first time. So pull this little loop out like so. Alright, and then peel him upwards and see how it pulls one of the rivets up with it. Now, if that rivet snaps, you're going to have a hard time separating this guy. On this side it did, but and then I just use where the cord came through and I cut into it. There it goes. See how it pops it open? And then once it pops open, stick a screwdriver and pop it open more. Just be careful, guys. I've cut myself so many times with a screwdriver, it just ain't funny anymore. Alright, let's pull him back out. So what I'm going to do, let's do that. And then, and you got your little gold finger. So that's it. I just wanted to show you what I was up to today. It was a little slow, so I grabbed this stuff. I've had these for about a year now, and I didn't know what to do, didn't know how to get them off. And then you know, when you have VGAs, how you go through and you pull off the green backing. Well, I thought, okay, if I could get it to separate that way, maybe that will work on these. And sure enough, it did. So that's it, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. I am out of here.